Hi, Joe from RDI here with our next tips and tricks. Today we're going to be talking about something specific to our Avalon aluminum railing. Now if you've bought a competitor's aluminum railing, take it back to the store, return it, get Avalon railing. Trust me, there'll be a lot more time for libations when you're done. Very easy to install, especially with what we're going to talk about today, our new bracket installation jig. The plastic jig does a couple things better than the previous template. It'll help you get your distance between your bottom and top bracket more accurate, as well as the centering of the brackets on the post. The right angle here lines right up with the corner of the post and make sure your brackets are exactly centered on the post. The jig is marked for both our 2.5 and 4-inch aluminum post. You just need to have the arrow pointing up for whichever one you're using. Place the jig on top of the trim ring and mark the holes accordingly for the bottom bracket first, which is labeled with a B for bottom, 2 holes there. And then we'll tell you to measure up 30.5 inches for a 36-inch rail, which we're doing here. We'll line the jig up with that mark we've made, and now we'll mark our 4 holes for the top bracket, labeled with a T for top. Now Avalon does still come with a paper template. You'll need it for some applications that don't include an Avalon post, and it works fine. All the installs I've done have been with this paper template, but the upgrade to this molded plastic template is very welcomed. The plastic jig is sure to save you time on installation. For more information on Avalon railing or tips and tricks, visit us at rdirail.com.